My name is Sarah Reeser. I'm an attorney with Glaser Ebbs, and I'm here to offer trusted advice on different types of auto insurance coverage. There are several different types of auto insurance coverages. There's liability coverage, collision coverage, MedPay coverage, uninsured motorist coverage, underinsured motorist coverage. Some of these coverages are designed to protect you if you're at fault for an accident and cause harm to somebody else or their vehicle. Some coverages are designed to protect damage to your vehicle if you're involved in a collision, and other coverages are designed to protect you if you are injured in a collision that is somebody else's fault. Liability insurance is there to protect you if you cause an accident that causes harm to someone else. Your liability insurance is there to cover damages to the other person's vehicle, and also if you injure someone else, your liability insurance will cover that as well. It's really important for everybody to have liability insurance. You never know what's going to happen out on the road, and you want to make sure that that coverage is there to compensate for any harm to someone else's property or injuries that may be caused. It's also a state requirement, so you risk having your driver's license suspended if you don't carry the liability insurance coverage. Collision coverage applies if you're involved in a collision where there's damage to your vehicle. Your collision coverage, your insurance company might pay to repair your vehicle using that collision coverage, or if it would be more expensive to repair your vehicle than what the value of your vehicle was before the crash, your vehicle will be considered totaled. And in that case, your insurance company will pay you for whatever the value of your vehicle was at the time of the crash. Sometimes when your vehicle is totaled, the value of your vehicle might actually be less than what you still owe on the vehicle. Your collision coverage will only pay up to what the value of the vehicle was. If you have additional money that you owe on your loan, that's when the gap insurance would kick in and pay the difference. So it would pay off the remainder of your loan above and beyond what the value of your vehicle was at the time of the crash. Medical payments coverage is coverage available to pay your medical bills if you're injured in a collision. It will typically provide coverage up to a specific dollar amount. It's there, again, for the medical bills that you have as a result of the crash. MedPay and health insurance are both similar in that they're different types of insurance coverage that are used to pay your medical bills. Medical payments coverage, though, unlike health insurance coverage, does not have a copay or deductible, so it'll pay the full dollar amount of the bill. It's important to have health insurance as well, though, because a lot of times medical payments coverage will only pay up to a certain dollar amount before the coverage is used, and you'll actually want to use your health insurance coverage for a lot of those bills as well. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you if you're involved in an accident that's somebody else's fault and they don't have insurance coverage. If someone, for example, runs a red light and crashes into you and you get injured as a result of that, if the person who caused the crash doesn't have their own liability insurance, you can make a claim with your own insurance company under your uninsured motorist coverage for the damage to your vehicle and for the injuries that you have as a result of the crash. Underinsured motorist coverage protects you if you're involved in an accident that's somebody else's fault, but that person doesn't have enough insurance coverage to fully compensate you for the harm that they cause. So, for example, say that someone has state minimum coverage of $25,000 in liability insurance, and they cause a crash in which you're injured, but you have more than $25,000 in medical expenses. Your underinsured motorist coverage would let you step in and make a claim against your own insurance company to try to get additional money above and beyond the $25,000 that you received from the person who was at fault. I would say the liability, the uninsured motorist coverage, and the underinsured motorist coverage. Liability insurance, you definitely want to make sure that in case you do cause an accident, the person who's injured is going to be fully protected, and you want your insurance company to step in and take care of that for you. The uninsured and underinsured motorist coverages are also really important because you would hate to be in a situation where somebody else causes an accident and your medical bills alone are more than what the coverage is of the person who was at fault. The uninsured and underinsured motorist coverages can really give you peace of mind that if you are involved in an accident that's somebody else's fault, the coverage is there to take care of you if you need it. I'm Sarah with Glaser Ebbs. If you've been injured in an accident and you have any questions, please give us a call at 260-424-0954.